What's up, gig workers? Welcome back to the channel. And if this is your first time here and you want to watch more video of different kind of gig apps, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell so whenever I post a video, you will be notified. Today I'll be working Uber Eats only, and it's gonna be 8 hours, 4 hours lunch hours, 4 hours evening. So come along for the ride and stick around to the end. If you want to watch the breakdown of the tips and how much I made per hour, all that said, let's go make some money, right? So I have a question for you guys. Are you doing Uber Eats full time? Just Uber Eats only? Leave a comment down below. Let me know. So guys, in 2020, I did a video with Uber Eats only, 8 hours, but my shift was from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. Today is kind of different. It's a split shift, 4 hours lunch and 4 hours evening, right? If you want to check out that video, I'll leave a link down below. Okay? Hey guys, the time is 10:59. Just gonna log in now to Uber Eats only. Uber Eats, you're online, looking for orders. So I'm gonna keep track of the kilometers. Right now it's set at 0. And the gas, a full tank of gas. First one, $7.37, 7.7 kilometers, and it took 8 minutes. Set an add-on for $6.33 for 2.2 kilometers. I'll accept it. $6. Normally it's like $3 and $2. Uber up their game. So I grabbed that first order, and that was from Taco Bell. And this customer is 6 minutes away, 4.7. No, I think we have to go to 7-Eleven for the second order. So I finally delivered that second order, $13.71. Hey guys, this is a double order, $18.30 for 21 kilometers. I'll accept it because it's going downtown and I want to go to that area because it's more busy there. So that's going to be a good area for me to continue working. I drop off that first customer order. Second customer is 11 minutes away, 4.7. Whoa. The order sushi is probably getting hot. Wow. Far drive. Yeah, I delivered this order. Customers living in an apartment. Again, there's no apartment number, no buzzer code. I don't know if it's a problem with the app. I had to call her. Seems upset. Oh, I call her for her number, I call her for the buzzer code, and she seems upset. I don't know. I'll see if I'll get a thumbs down. It's not my fault. This is the second time it happened. $18.30. Hey guys, this one is $8.91 for 6.8 kilometers, and this restaurant is inside Polo Park at the food court. Okay, let's go grab that. $151, close to 3 hours, and I'm at $58.96, $5.07 for 3.5 kilometers. Starbucks. Accept it. My last drop off was 1:55, I think, and now it's 2:20, so 25 minutes before I get this order. It's a slow time now. Slow time. Slow time. So I drop off that order from McDonald's. Customer is at the school and it said meet at the back door. I think they're teachers, but they're secretly ordering food. The time is 3:02 and that's it for my lunch hours, 4 hours. You guys want to see how much I made? $77.88. That for lunch. Not bad, not bad. And there's 2 more tips have to come in. So I'll continue back in the evening between 5 and 9 p.m. So stay tuned for the evening shift. Hello guys, welcome back, and this is the evening shift, and thank you for sticking around. If you're still here, the time is 4:59. You are online, Uber Eats. Hey guys, this one is $9.89 for 6.9 kilometers. And the time is 5:17. 17 minutes before my first one. Not great, not great. I have to make a U-turn here, and it's so busy. Pick up that Chicken Delight. Customer is 9 minutes away, 5.1 kilometers, $9.89. Hey guys, this is $8.07 for 5.3 kilometers, and this is my second order for the evening. What the heck is going on? 6:11. 1 hour and 11 minutes, only 2 orders. Wow, what an evening. I had to wait like 10 minutes in the restaurant. Oh no.
Head to your drop-off at 501 McMillan Avenue.
This customer is 8 minutes away, 4.7 kilometers. $8.08. The lunch hours were more busy than the evening hours. Like, what's going on? Hey guys, this is $4.76 for 1.9 kilometers. And this is my 4th delivery for the evening. Wow, what a crazy night. Hey guys, I drop off that McDonald's order, and that's my last delivery. The time is 9:05. That's it for me. 8 hours with Uber Eats only. So stay tuned for the summary, okay? I drove 142 kilometers. So let's go fill up the gas now. Here we go. Moment of truth. $14.88. Hello guys, welcome back, and this is a summary. But first, I want to give a big shout out to all the new subscribers and a big thank you for supporting the channel. So let's talk a little bit about the gas. I spent $14.88. That's lots. There's a few reasons why it's so much. Gas price. I did lots of driving between zone from the central to home for my lunch break, and the same thing in the night shift. I drive from the central to home, 10 for lunch and 10 for the night shift. Plus, the evening shift was so slow. I did lots of driving around different area of the city, hoping I'll get more orders. Then another extra 20 kilometers, so I'm looking at 40 of wasting time, wasting mileage, wasting gas. Okay, so let's get into the numbers. So I did 12 trips, and let's start from the bottom. $27.25, and this customer tip $13.70. Wow, that's a nice one, right? Who say you don't get big order from Uber Eats? Second from the bottom, $29.17. This was a double order. Customer tip $10.87. Another big order, guess it's double. And the rest of the tips vary from $2 to $5, I think. Yeah, the one from the top is $3. Second one from the top is $5.77. So the total with Uber Eats is $139.43. I was online for 8 hours and 9 minutes. So $139.43 minus $14.88 for gas give us $124.55 divided by 8 hours equal $15.56 per hour. Not bad, right? For one app. I'll give it a B plus. There is like 2 or 3 more orders away from being a good wage, like around $17, $18. I had a good lunch hours. I was hoping the momentum build in the evenings, but the evenings is there where the wheels fell off. As you can see here, the first order was 5:14 p.m. Then the next one was around 6. Then another one's around 7. Then 8:20. Then 8:46. Almost every hour I get one order. And at one time was 1 hour and 30 minutes. So it was a slow evening. That's why we didn't make that $18 to $20 an hour. But it wasn't a bad day anyway. So I'll take it to the bank. So again, I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Stay healthy, stay wealthy. Peace out.